Hey guys, Noah Madar here. Again, you're with the Traders. Today, I want to talk with you about Canopy Growth, CGC, this great weed stock that everyone talks about with the biggest market share. So, Or made a technical analysis on Canopy Growth. So, stay with us and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
So, hello guys and welcome back to the Traders. My name is Or, as you already know. And today I'm going to do a short review about CGC. CGC is Canopy Growth Corp, if you don't familiar with this company. Canopy is a marijuana stock, marijuana company, which is a very hot topic for the last 12 months, let's say. And it's really the sector got crazy from, let's say, CGC went from $7 a share to 59, which is it's ridiculous. It's like 800% in 4 months. So it's really made a great move, and we might see a continuation right now. So let's dive to the action. I have two charts over here. On the right hand side I have the daily chart, on the left hand side I have the weekly chart. So let's start from the weekly. On the weekly we can see the moving average, the 50 moving average, which is the blue line, really had great support over here. So we can trust this 50-day moving average, as it really made a nice support and stop over here and just went up from there. And we are on the 50 days moving average right now. So we might suspect that this can be also a stop right here, and we might see a continuation to the upside momentum for the $50 a share approximately. So if you just analyze this by technical measures, so this 50 periods moving average just made a great support over here, and we are on this level again right now. So we can really suspect that this can go just 4, 5, 6 or even $10 from now to the upside. So we have a really great support over here, like we did here, and I hope we can do the same right now. So this is for the weekly. Also we can see that we have a short swing exit, which means short stop. Short stop means we can have a high percentage of risk reward ratio. So we can really go to 46 or 47. Looks very good on the weekly. And let's go to the daily. On the daily we can see I just grew two trend line. The first one went from here to here, and we had just gapped up and then just made a new highs all the way to these levels, to this trend line. And if this spread pattern will just remain as it was right here, we can suspect for another bounce to the 46. So both charts just make our suspicious about maybe a start to an upward trend really good. So if it was the 50-day moving average, which we are literally on this moving average on the weekly, so we might suspect also small stop loss, okay, on 38, which we are like $2 from there, and we can easily do 46 or 47 profit target, so we can make 3-1 on our money. Also we had two trend lines. One was with a gap up and then just ripping up higher to a new highs, and also we can see like the same or very likely like this trend line, another one over here. So if we can start a leg up with a volume, we can really see some nice upward momentum. and I hope this moving average will not disappoint us, and also the trend line that we saw right here, maybe we can see right here another one with a gap up, and then what is calling gap and go. So it really looks very good on the two charts, on the daily and on the weekly, from a technical perspective. And it looks good with a tight stop. I mean, I really don't have anything bad to say about this company. Of course, it's all about odds. This is how trading works. You need to make the odds in your favor, and in my opinion, in Canopy, the odds is in our favor. So it looks good for sure, and I really think that we might see a bounce to the 46 or 47 areas, and this is my opinion. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, please like us, please tell your friends, and help us make the channel grow. And I hope you find this information very useful, and if you do, please write us a comment and what you think and what we can do better, and subject that you want us to make a review on.